Hi techies, in this video I'm just going to show you how to change time zone in your Informatica IICS. Okay, if you see here your time if you run the job you will see start time end time, right? So do you know which time zone it is taking by default? So this August 2, 2025 11:05 p.m. Okay, so this is, do you know which time zone? So you don't know, right? So I'm first of all I'm just going to run one job. So these are not the latest jobs. So if I run the job, you will see the time zone. So you can identify which time zone it is running. Okay. So now I'm going to uh, take this task flow. Okay. So I'm just going to run this task flow. Right. So I'm just copying this task flow. Okay, and now I'm going to data integration. So it's taking time little bit for loading. Okay, now I'm in the data integration. Okay, I'm just going to the explore and I'm just giving this task flow. I'm just going to run it again. So you will see the start time, end time, in which format. Today my system is little bit slow. I think it's taking longer time for loading. Okay, so let's open the task flow. Now I'm going to run it. So I'm going to check in my jobs. Currently I'm in India. Okay. So if you see here, it is showing in India my current time is 11:48, and in display if you see here in IICS it is showing start time 11:18. So okay, this is PM and my time zone is AM 11:48 AM in Indian Standard Time. Okay, so this is, I think, Pacific Daylight Los Angeles timestamp. Okay, we'll see if you see here in the profile. So the time zone, it is by default it is taking Pacific Daylight Time Los Angeles. Okay, so I'm correct. And now if you want to change this one, if you want to see your job run start time and end time in your time zone, for me it's IST. So I'm just going to take Indian Standard Time, Bombay and Delhi. I'm going to change here like this. Okay. I'm just going to save it here. So if you see here, it's 11:18 and end date also 11:18 p.m. This is Los Angeles timestamp only. You will get a doubt after changing also why it is not showing in Indian Standard Time like 11:50. If you see here, my computer time it's 11:50 IST. This is AM. Okay, so this is 11:18 p.m. So now why it is after changing also why it is not showing in our time zone means after changing that profile settings, the time zone, you have to log out, okay, and log in again. Then you will see the correct timestamp. I mean, correct time zone, whatever you set. So now I'm going to monitor. You can see your jobs in monitor and also data integration. But if if somebody has run the job, not you, then you have to check that in the monitor only. Okay. So if you see here, it is changed to 11:48. Okay, a.m. and 11:48 in time also 11:48 a.m. So this is IST time. So like this, you can change the IICS time zone. Okay, I'm just going to the all jobs. So if you see, not only this job, all the jobs is changed to this IST timestamp. Yeah. So thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts, comment it. And if you want to know any topic, if you want me to explain any topic, please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.